Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to help you with how to use ashes for back to sender, cleansing, protection, and other spiritual purposes. So what you see on the screen is what we call the ashes. The ashes is very common to get. If you go to those people who cook with firewood or charcoal, you can easily get the ashes. If you cannot get those people, you can just take a piece of wood and then you burn it yourself to be able to get the ashes. And then you use it for any of the directions that I'm coming to mention in this particular video. So let's begin with promise and fail. If you are such that people promise you and then they fail you, people will promise you that they want to take you to abroad or they want to help you in a way and then they fail you. All that you are supposed to do is that you get sea salt. So sea salt is very common. You can order some from Amazon. So I'll put the link to it under the video and then you can use it to order it from Amazon. And then also you can also get any soap at all. So if you get black soap, that one is preferable. But if you cannot get black soap, you can use any soap at all that you want. But please don't go and use liquid soap for this particular one. Just go and get any bar soap that you can use to bath, like Lux or any of those soaps. And then you are going to pound these three items together: the soap, the ashes, and then the sea salt. You are going to pound them together and then you put it inside a container. And then you'll be using it to bath twice daily. And then all those satanic negative energies on you that is making people to forget you so easily, when they promise you they fail, all those things are going to leave you for good. And then also, if you are such that you are having problems and then you want to cleanse your body of all the negative energies but you cannot get the soap and then the sea salt, you can just wake up in the middle of the night, then you pour some little of the ashes into your bathing water and then use it to cleanse your body. And then you, as you bath, you'll be telling God that as ash is the end of wood or end of a big tree, so shall your problems end. You see that when no matter how big a wood is or in a tree is, if you cut the tree, it will germinate again and then it will become another tree. But the moment that tree is cut and then it is used for wood and then that wood is burnt into ashes, the ash cannot regenerate into any particular tree again. So ash is the end of even a big tree. So the same way ashes signify the end of any big tree, if you use the ash to bath, it is going to ensure that God will use it as a medium through which all your problems will just end. If you're having a chronic sickness, you can use it to pray. You can use Psalm 56 to pray whilst you are bathing, or after your bath, you can just use it to pray. Or you can use it to pray over the water before you go and bath. And then God is going to help you to overcome that particular challenge. If you are such that you have a court case and it is not ending, if you have any problem, it is never ending, just ensure that you are going to put ashes in your bathing water to bath for 7 days. And then as ash ends or it marks the end of any big tree or any plant, so shall your problem end. And then also, if you are such that you need protection, you see that in the Catholic Church, they mostly use the ash to mark the forehead of their people when they want to give them protection. So if your child is such that in the night the child will be crying for no reason, if you have ash around, you can just go out and then you just sprinkle some around the child's forehead, or you just have to apply a little on the forehead of the child, and then that will mark the end of the child's crying. And then also, if you want to do back to sender, there are some people, they will do things against you and all the time you'll be tormented in your life, and then those people will be enjoying they will see you and then they will pretend as if they don't know anything about your problem. But meanwhile, they are the ones tormenting your life. So if that is happening to you, you just have to get some ash down. So in the middle of the night, you just go out without wearing any footwear. You just stand in the middle of your compound and then you pray over it. Now you are going to start from your left ear. You are going to rotate, or you are just going to move the ash in your palm. You are just going to put some ash in your palm and then you are going to put it in your right palm and then you are going to use it to go around your head 7 times. So you are going to start from your left ear to your right, to your left, from your left to your right 7 times. And then you end at your left ear. So when you finish this, as you be rotating it around your head, you'll be saying that God should use it to end all your problems and then it should go back to the sender. Now you just bring it in front of you and then you say that whenever you blow ash, some of the ash will go to the one who blew the ash. So if anybody has hands in the problem that you are facing, when you blow the ash, as some of the ash will come back to you, so shall the problem that the person has brought into your life go back to the sender in the name of Jesus. So you say this 7 times and now you blow the ash. You just face the east and then you blow the ash away. So when you blow it away, you just enter your room. And then that will mark the end of your problem. And then your problem is going back to the sender, the one who is making sure that you are not going to be happy in your life. The person is going to face that problem. There are a lot of things we can say about the ash. And then also, if you are such that you prepare maybe stroke medicine for people, ensure that you put a little of the ash that has been left overnight into the medicine for those people to take. And then the medicine is going to be very, very effective. So there is a bonus. There are a lot of things we can say about the ash, but for the time being, let's end it here. Please kindly like this video, comment and share. Then if you also have any problem or anything, you can just comment it. If you have any question, you can comment it in the comment section of the video and I'll come and answer. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.